Welcome back. This look crooked. It lean. It goodly lean, you know. Y'all just gonna have to lean with it. Lean with it, rock with it. Anyways, I got two items here that I'm going to unmold, so let me come around. Get this popping. It should be quick because these, I think, well, I've never used that mold before, so I guess I probably should have did that one first. Anyways, I did like a swirl because I wanted to try something different, and I really like how this came out. Pretty simple, to the point, brown and gold. Yeah. Okay, so there's that. Actually, I'm gonna prop it over here because this mat has a lot going on, and I don't want any excess to what you call it. All right, so this now is my first cigar mold, and I had to fight with it because air bubbles was trying to join in the corners here. So I'm trying to, okay, I already see some bubbles on the side. Oh geez. Okay. Okay, but this looks good. Okay, so it looks like the air bubbles are predominantly on the bottom, so the top still looks amaze. Yeah, I got like an air bubble here, another prominent one here, because the edges, for some reason, they just really wanted to do it there. And then there's some bubbles on the sides here, but the top part, this area, spectacular. Yes. Okay, I'm completely happy with this. All right, so I guess now I make cigar molds. Okay, so I'm not even gonna sit back down. Thank you for watching. These are the two right here. I'm about to do another unmolding with a whole bunch of stuff, so yeah. Anyways, thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe to All Things Pointless, and whether you got here on purpose or by faith, thank you so much for watching this pointless unmolding. Bye.